The concave part of the H-shaped frame should face forward. Install the crossbeam. Place the washer, then tighten the screw. Fasten the nut at the bottom. The other end of the crossbeam is also fixed with screws. Continue installing the H-shaped frame and crossbeam. Secure the upper and lower H-shaped frames with screws. Install the crossbeam. Tighten the screws of the crossbeam. Splice the cabinets together with quick locks. Slide the quick lock to 0 degrees. Install the extended height hinge connecting plate. Install connecting plates on both sides. Splice the cabinets together with quick locks. Install the screws of connecting plate. Continue splicing the cabinets together. Continue installing the screws of connecting plate. Install hinge connecting plate. Connect power cables. Connect signal cables. Put counterweights on the bottom of the H-frame.